Oh, oh, come on, Tetsuhiko, where are you? Oh, this is so embarrassing. Uh, hey, uh, oh, it's you. Oh, thank God, I thought uh, um, what are you doing? Hey, stop, stop, it's me. Oh, no, this is bad. No, stop, stop, oh, you're kissing my hand now. No, please, stop, uh, pretty, me? No, what am I thinking? It's me, Yuma Kokohead. Finally, I got you to stop. Yes, it really is me. I'm in disguise. I guess you've never seen me like this, huh? Uh-huh. Are, are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. Don't be embarrassed. It was all just a misunderstanding. Please don't look away. I'm fine. Really. Here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Everything's okay. I'm sorry. This was all very shocking for you. I promise you didn't do anything wrong. And believe me, I would have told you quickly if anything happened. You're still a bit weirded out by this, huh? Yeah, it's been a day for both of us, hasn't it? So many surprises. But hopefully this will clear up soon. Unlike all this rain. Huh? How did I turn myself into a girl? Well, it's sort of a long and funny story, really. But I won't mind telling you if that's okay, if it's what you want. Oh, well, okay then. So, it it all started when my friend Kurumi wanted to hang out with me today. Uh, she wanted me to come with her to her school so that we could watch a play together. But the thing is, outsiders weren't really allowed. So I asked Desahiko to help me. Yeah, him. His forte is disguise. That big yellow backpack he carries around is his wardrobe, sort of. So, with his help, we were able to get into the all girls school. As much as I didn't like it, I had to do it. It was the only way. Plus, it was for Kurumi. And, uh, she thinks I'm cute like this too. Anyway, the play was to last for an hour and a half. Yeah, it was supposed to be an hour and a half. Then Desahiko promised me that by the time the show was over, he would be right outside waiting for me. But when the play was over, Desahiko wasn't there, and I was left standing there as other girls were walking by, calling me cute, pretty, and asking me questions. But after 30 minutes of waiting, I couldn't take it anymore, so I rushed outside searching for him, but it was obviously worse. Not only girls, but guys were also coming up to me and hitting on me, touching me all over, grabbing me. Oh, it was so humiliating. Uh, but I'm really glad I found you. I'm exhausted. I'm getting a headache. Yeah, it was a lot, but now I'm with you, so I'm not as worried. Now we can search for Tetsuhiko together. Hmm. If I'm not mistaken, he should be carrying his backpack around somewhere. Otherwise, he couldn't have been in disguise for that long. He told me how much it wears him out, how much it strains his body. Uh, well, he does deserve some discipline for abandoning me, so hopefully this will be the last time this happens. Yeah, you're right. If I actually looked like that, I bet he would never stand me up. But now's not the time for jokes, okay? It's fine. Thankfully, I wasn't hurt, but I could have been on the risk of being in danger. You'll protect me? Well, thank you. I appreciate it, and I'm so sorry that you had to see me like this. Why did it have to be the time? So, um, did you, really mean that? About what you said? Sorry, I'm bringing this up again. When you told me I looked pretty, uh, uh, well, thanks. Even though this isn't me, I still oddly appreciate that. Yeah, but I'm glad it's close to being over. uh, huh? Uh, Everyone is staring at us. No, it can't be. They couldn't possibly think that we are. Uh, let's hurry and find him. He couldn't have gone far. If not, maybe we'll. No, then everyone will laugh at me. We need to find him quickly before anyone gets worried. Maybe if we ask around, we'll find him. I'm sure he's been trying to talk to women again, as usual. Uh, hey, excuse me. Have you. How do I put this? Has anyone been talking to you lately? Anyone at all? I knew it. So that means he must be. Huh? Is that. It? That's it! There's his backpack! Oh, what a relief. Alright, now to get in here and change back. Huh? Hey, what's wrong? You're. You're going to miss me? What are you. Uh. Uh. Right. Well, I'm sure I'll be back soon. Then we can all hang out again. Okay? Okay. Um, please excuse me. Finally.